Welcome back, viewers. You're watching WION World is One. I'm Shivan Janna. This is News Point. Let's start with the headlines.
The American people have given us their trust. We're going to give them the biggest first week and the most extraordinary first 100 days of any presidency in American history.
Donald Trump holds victory rally on Inauguration Eve, pledges a blitz of presidential actions to end American decline, says he would crack down on the woke ideology and immigration.
They had no money for Hamas. They had no money. They were broke, totally broke, and they...
Incoming US President Donald Trump hails ceasefire agreement as the first step towards lasting peace in West Asia, says agreement only happened as a result of Trump's victory in November last year. WHO estimates $10 billion needed to restore Gaza's health system, says it needs full access in the territory to supply aid during the truce. Israeli authorities released 90 Palestinian women and minors as part of the hostages for prisoners swap deal between Israel and Hamas. The release comes in exchange for the return of 3 Israeli hostages on Sunday. An Iranian court sentences popular singer Amir Hossein Maqsoodlu, known as Ratalu, to death on appeal after he was convicted of blasphemy. Thousands of devotees take the holy dip at Trivedi Sangam in India's Prayagraj during Mahakumbh. Over 70 million have participated in the world's biggest religious gathering so far.